supplement 2.6, set B number 8, and we have a round trip between Ithaca and Sparta. So here's Ithaca, and here's Sparta. And we're going to Sparta and then to Ithaca. So in terms of our chart, let's see what we got here, RTB. Ithaca to Sparta and Sparta to Ithaca. Let's see, it says a round trip by chariot takes 3 hours. The chariot averaged 40 miles in one direction, so let's say 40 miles per hour, let's say is this one. Oops, I'll put miles per hour up here. Miles per hour. And the other direction was 50 miles per hour. Let's just ignore that blob of blue. Let's see, and it took 3 hours. Well, one direction, let's see, when we have total is 3 hours. So if one of them is x, the other one is 3 minus x. Think about this, because this is time in hours. If this were minutes, it would be different, but this is hours. So I don't know what the two numbers are, but I do know that together they make 3. So if one number is x and the other one's 3 minus x, these cancel and make 3. It always works. Okay. And then the distance is what we're looking for. So I can just multiply across 40x, and this is 53 minus x. Well, these distances are going to be equal to each other because the distance from Ithaca to Sparta is the same as the distance from Sparta to Ithaca. So I have 40x equals 50 times 3 minus x. Let's do that. Distributive property. You get a 50 and you get a 50. So that's 150 minus 50x. I want to bring my x's together. This one's bigger because this one's negative, so I'm going to add 50. I'm going to keep the bigger one where it is. I'll just add 50x to both sides. And I get 90x equals 150. This is not going to work out cleanly, but that's okay. We're going to divide by 90. X equals 150 over 90. I can cross off a 0 right away, like dividing by 10. And I see that both of these are divisible by 3. So that equals 5/3. Now 5/3 in terms of 5/3 is x. We're looking for the distance between Ithaca and Sparta. Well, 40. This distance is 40x. So if I plug in 5/3 x to 40, so the distance is, let's do that over here. 40 times 5/3, 40 times x, I end up getting 200 thirds, which I'm just going to leave like that. Let's make sure I'm right. So I'm going back to the supplement, 2.6 B8, 2.6 B8. Yeah, we're totally right. I mean, we could have divided and gotten 66 and 2/3, but this is accurate. What I should have done is I should have written miles. I should have had 200 over 3 miles. So this is the important part, is if you know the total time, one of the things is x and the other one is that total time minus x. And this is in terms of hours. So this was a little easier than when we have to change this from minutes to a fraction to represent hours. Okay,